Good Tuesday morning, and thanks for logging on to your Aggie Land Carpet 1 forecast. I'm meteorologist Natalie Ferrari. We've been tracking quite a bit of some scattered showers trying to make their way into the Brazos Valley, most of which have not been doing a very good job, but don't worry. Give it some time. We're not anywhere out of the woods just yet. We'll look at some bands of scattered showers and maybe some heavy rainfall to move on through the morning and the afternoon, but those chances really pick up towards the second half of today, especially into the evening hours. Looking right now at PinPoint radar, again, off to the south and to the southeast, you can see a few of those light scattered showers trying to make their way into the Brazos Valley. Up through Leon and parts of Houston County, we are seeing a very brief shower move on through that area as well. These are all the outer bands of what is Tropical Storm Bill that is just about to make landfall very shortly, maybe in the next hour or so. Now, as we go through the rest of today, this is also what we're tracking. The majority of the Brazos Valley is under a slight risk for severe weather, severe storms to actually pop up. So any thunderstorms that do develop will have the potential to reach strong to maybe even severe levels. That would include not only that heavy rain and dangerous lightning, but really strong damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. And any of these lines of storms that do move on through with these bands will also have the potential to kind of spit out maybe an isolated tornado. That is not out of the question due to the fact that some of these storms, again, could become severe. Now, as you take a wide look here over the Lone Star State, you can see how those outer bands have been starting to spit up a few of those scattered showers our direction, but coverage not that great right now, and it's going to be picking up again as that storm does make landfall in the next hour or so. So here's what we're tracking with Tropical Storm Bill. Again, it's just a little bit off the coast there. We'll be making landfall, and the majority of us here in the Brazos Valley will be looking at moments of heavy rainfall. It may not be all at once, and it's not going to be nonstop, but there will be periods where the rainfall is on the heavy side. It looks like this storm system will slide just to the west of us, and that's going to be the center of the storm. That will be just to our west. However, as we do go through the rest of today, if this storm system does slide a little bit more to the west there, that means things will be more scattered here at home. If it comes a little bit closer to the east in that projected path window, then it means things will be more widespread, and we will be looking at more heavier rain and possibly higher rainfall amounts. Again, the main timeline for the heaviest rainfall looks like it will be now late tonight into your Wednesday morning, and that's actually when the center will just kind of be positioned just west of the Brazos Valley as well. So it will continue to slide its way through before it just weakens very quickly, turning back into a strong upper-level disturbance and then weakening as it does leave towards northeast Texas. Now, for us here at home, again, we're going to see those bands of scattered showers, moments of heavy rainfall, and possibly strong to maybe even severe thunderstorms flow on up through the Brazos Valley parts of the morning and mainly into the afternoon hours. But when things become more widespread will be towards this evening, especially late tonight and into your Wednesday, where we'll see periods of heavier rainfall and more widespread rainfall from side to side throughout the Brazos Valley. So that's going to be our main concern, because that could lead to the potential for flash flooding, which is why the entire Brazos Valley is under a flash flood watch. This actually goes through the rest of today and through your Wednesday forecast as well. So for today, temperatures are not going to warm up too terribly much. If anything, struggling to break out of those mid-80s. We're continuing that chance for scattered rain and storms before things become more widespread tonight, and that flash flood watch being our main concern in your forecast as we go through the rest of today and into your Wednesday forecast as well. Now, you'll notice by the end of the week and into the weekend, things start to clear up nicely. We welcome back sunshine and that warmth, so things will not be staying this way too terribly long. If anything, will dry on out. But of course, we'll be here in the PinPoint Weather Center for you all day long, giving you constant updates on social media and of course on kbtx.com to let you know of any updates as far as when the storm system not only does make landfall, but how it will impact the Brazos Valley, and when we start to see those showers and rain storms move on through, and if any of them do become severe, of course we'll be on here to let you know as well. Until then, make sure you stay weather aware and stay safe out there on this Tuesday.